Alrighty, folks, welcome to Stormtopia.com and Stormtopia.com Facebook page. Moderate snow accumulations expected for this beginning of the weekend. Plowable, I would expect as well. Some seeing greater than a half a foot, with more mixing along closer areas than we thought would happen yesterday. This is the current national radar. You can see we had some energy down in the south. Nothing even close to what we were looking at this time 2 days ago. It is just mostly going to be a light storm. You can see the snow in southeast Missouri. Some more white stuff going on in the Great Lakes. This is essentially going to phase together this evening, move across this area tomorrow, back on in through New England tomorrow night. Let's take a look at some model guidance. This is the European model, and you can see here we are right now. The snow is developing, pushes out to the north and to the east. This is Saturday morning. We got a really weak low pressure center right over West Virginia. A pretty large area of snow. It's going to look more menacing on radar than in reality it is. A lot of this isn't reaching the ground out into Pennsylvania. The stuff that is reaching the ground is accumulating lightly in eastern Ohio. A few inches for the morning hours. That snow shifts eastward as a low pressure center moves out Virginia Beach. And what happens Saturday night is that low pressure center, once it hits the water, it strengthens, and it goes all the way up to about or down to about 985 millibars off the coast, which produces a wraparound effect for southeastern New England, giving them a few inches more of snow than off to the west. So here's what I'm expecting in terms of snow totals. Overall, last time, the farther north and west you are, the more snow you had. This time, the farther south and east you are in New England, the more snow you're going to get. I'd expect, except on the Cape and the Islands, where they'll be mixing and it'll be hard-pressed to get more than an inch or two. 4 to 6 inches from Boston to Hartford, south and east. The suburbs get 2 to 4 inches, an inch or two in northern New England and central New England. Some only see a trace. A wide swath of 3 to 6 inches from central Pennsylvania into the northern portion of the tri-state area. 1 to 3 for most of the big cities along I-95. That's because they're going to be getting into some mixing, and the snow is going to be really heavy and wet. Sleet, rain, and a trace to perhaps an inch for places like Fredericksburg, Maryland, and Richmond probably sees little, if anything. They could see an inch, but I would really doubt that. The low pressure center moves north and east after about 2 p.m. on Saturday. And that's pretty much what we're expecting for now. Have a good day.